Welcome to Online Learning, prepared by Teacher Edward from Pratum Suksa 5. This video recording is for educational purposes only. My name is Teacher Edward and I am your speaker for today. Topic: we are going to study the water conservation today, and we are going to answer the following questions like: what are the uses of water? What are the wasteful practices in using water? What are the ways to conserve water? And how important is water for us? Vocabulary words. I want you to repeat each word after I will read them. Are you ready? Conservation. Conservation. Number 2, gallon. Can you repeat the word gallon? Number 3, enough. Enough. Number 4, basin. Can you read it louder? Basin. Alright. Number 5, hose. Hose. Number 6, garbage. Garbage. Number 7, dredge. Dredge. Alright. So we are going to study these words one by one. Conservation. Conservation is the prevention of wasteful use of a resource. For example, in this picture, in Japan, they use this technique. You can wash your hands, and then the water that you've used in washing your hands can be used also in flushing the toilet. In this way, we can conserve the water. Maybe we can apply it. We can get this idea from Japan and apply it here in Thailand. Okay? Next word, gallon. A unit of liquid capacity equal to 3.79 liters. Let me ask you a question. How much water or how many gallons you think you use when you take shower? Maybe 5 or maybe 10. Okay, so that is a gallon. Next word, enough. Enough means as much or as many as required. That is the meaning of the word enough. Next word is basin. A basin is a wide, round, open container, especially one used for holding a liquid. We use a basin in washing the dishes or washing our clothes. Basin. Hose. A hose is a flexible tube conveying water used chiefly for watering plants and in firefighting. You can see in the video that the baby is actually trying to drink water from the hose. Next word, garbage. A garbage is a wasted or spoiled food and other refuse, as from a kitchen or a household. For example, when you eat a banana, the banana peel you are going to put in the bin bag, and that banana peel will become a garbage. But we need to be careful that we need to throw the garbage properly and not throw it in the ocean or in the river. Alright, now let's go to the word dredge. Dredge means to clean out the bed of a harbor, a river, or other area of water by scooping out mud, weeds, and rubbish with a dredge. Let's watch a short video of this. Okay, so dredging is when you are going to remove the mud out of the riverbed and put it away so that the water can flow properly. Alright? So that is our vocabulary words for today. Water conservation. Okay, so I want you now to open your book on page 194 or 198. Let me check. Okay, it is found in page 194. It says here in the first column numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the second column it says ways I use water in my daily life. And on the uses it says here careful and wasteful. So I already gave you an example which you can copy in your book in page 194. I write here for drinking because I use water for drinking. I use water also for washing clothes, dishes, and etc. What about for number 3, 4, and 5? I want you to think. What are you going to write in your book, page 194? So you can pause the video right now and then come back after you finish answering number 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I hope you are done. If you are not done yet, you can still pause the video and you can write the answers like brushing your teeth, washing the car, or watering the plants. There are many uses of water in our daily lives, right? And do not forget to write careful or wasteful. Alright, let's proceed to the next part of our lesson today. We learned that we should use water carefully and well because water is important to the life of humans, animals, and plants. Who are the humans? The people, Teacher Edward and you, right? Also, the animals like lion, zebra, tiger, elephants. All of the animals are using water and they are dependent on the water. Okay, and also the plants. What will happen if there is no rain? If there is no water, what will happen for the plants? They will be dead. The same thing with humans and animals. That is why we should help conserve water for our future generations. Which type of water you usually use at home for drinking, for taking a shower? What do you use? Salt water or fresh water? I'll give you 5 seconds to think. The correct answer is fresh water. Very good. Next question. Which type of water is abundant here on Earth? Salt water or fresh water? It's the salt water because we are covered in 97%, or in your book it says 97.5% salt water. Alright, now we are going to proceed. What are the ways to use the water carefully? Number 1, fill water in a basin to wash the dishes. Number 2, turn off the tap tightly after use. Number 3, use a shower head, not a bathtub, because when we use a bathtub, we use a lot of water. But if we are going to use a shower head, we can use only maybe 5 to 10 gallons of water. Number 4, use a watering can, not a hose when you water the plants, because this way we can save the water. Number 5, use a cup when brushing your teeth, because sometimes when we brush our teeth, we just let the faucet on and the water will be wasted and nobody is using it. So it is better to use a cup, and after the cup is full, you can turn off the faucet. Okay. Number 6, gather enough clothes per wash. Okay, so those are the ways to use the water carefully. Now, at this point in time, I will be showing you the QR code for your quiz today. Okay, this is the QR code for science quiz number 2. Please scan for the short quiz, and I will be sending also the link to the Google quiz in our line. Okay, so please pause the video and do your best in answering the quiz. You can pause the video now while you are answering the Google quiz and play the video again when you are finished. Okay, good luck. Okay, I hope that you learned something for today. And for our vocabulary words, we are going to have our short review. These are the words that we learned for today: conservation, gallon, enough, basin, hose, garbage, and dredge. Okay, please remember these words so that you will be able to use them in the future. Okay, good luck and have a nice day, everybody. God bless.